Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1962 Ford Anglia. This casting is by Matchbox and it was featured in, as you can see, Harry Potter movies. So it's slightly modified to look like the car in the movie. So let's open it up and see how does it look. One thing I forgot to mention, I like the package on this. I'm glad Matchbox did something custom. It looks really nice. Makes it more desirable, I guess, for some of the collectors. So here's the Ford Anglia out of its box. First thing first, the paint. Well, it looks nice actually. They tried to make it look the same way the car was in the movie. It's just slightly worn out because I think Ron Weasley's dad had this car, so their family wasn't the rich one, so it does look good here. Wheels we have seen on so many different Matchboxes, just try to show like older cars where they have steel wheels with hubcaps, so it looks alright here. It has opening doors. We'll talk about that later. Let's move to the front first, I guess. So up front you got a detailed, I think slightly detailed front because headlamps are detailed. Grille is made in a color so that it kind of looks detailed. But it's not like, painted or anything. It looks good. On the front you can also see the windshield wipers. It does look good. I like it. The roof is white again, and the paint is like a matte. It's not like a, it looks old school kind of paint, like worn out. I really like the way they did it. On the passenger side, oh sorry, my bad. It's the driver's side. On the driver's side, you also got the trademark WBIS24. I don't know what that means. If somebody knows that, let me know. You also got this trim piece that goes from front to back. I like the roof. It's so different. Like older cars were so different. Even if you see the rear window, it's very different. It's not straight. It doesn't follow like how you see on most of the cars. So it's a very different car. Looks really nice. Coming to the back, again you've got detailed tail lamps. You got the number plates 7990TD. I think it's the same plate which was in the movie. I think it's the fuel filler here. So you got the fuel filler and then the bumper, which I think in the actual car is chrome, if I'm not wrong. And then this different looking rear window or rear windshield. Yeah. Looks really nice. So yeah, as I said, the doors open. I'm trying to open it, but gloves won't allow me, so give me a sec, let me open the door and show you. So both the doors open up on this one, and the trunk opens too, which is not very usual. Either they have doors or hood or trunk, but here it does open and it looks good. Should you get one? If you can find one, yes, go for it. It's a very nice casting. It's a memorable. I think it's a throwback, especially to kids, 90s kids, because we grew up with Harry Potter, and it will bring so many good memories, I guess. Yeah, so those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.